guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Full-Time Drama Queen, and today I would like to show you a review try on of my Firmoo pair of glasses that I got in the mail. It's because I was able to partner with Firmoo and bring this video to my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for believing in me. Before we get into this video, I want to let you know that if you love affordable reviews and if you love stylish eyeglasses, this video is for you. Leave a like or a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. Let's get right on into it. Today, this video is about a pair of glasses that I received in the mail, and I received the Firmoo pair of glasses in MT65536 in color C18, gold, green, and clear. So let's get into the unboxing, shall we? When I got these glasses, I opened them out of a bubble wrap case that came directly from the shipping. And when I look at the box, it says, "You define your look." This brand is right there, their logo. Came with a nice bag like this that says Firmoo on it as well. I really like these frames a lot, and I want to get on into the try-on part of the video. Can you believe that these frames were only $25? Such a steal for something this cute and trendy. They're very stylish. I think Firmoo did an excellent job with that on their website by customizing your shopping experience. And the best part is that they have versatile glasses for everyone. I think gold accents are really beautiful, and I also like the green because green is kind of going into fall. What I like about Firmoo's glasses are the fact that they have a lot of variety on their website. They give you a lot to work with, and they also give you a wide range of different colors to choose from. What I like about their website is that it's interactive, it's very easy to use, and your checkout is seamless. You just need to know a few different details before you get started, which would be obviously your prescription, and also the pulmonary distance. They're definitely customizable to different people's facial features, and I like the fact that Firmoo is at a discounted rate, and I will have a code for you guys to use at the end of this video down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.